In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot AI in Windows 10. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First off, it's important to understand what Copilot AI is. Essentially, Copilot AI is a feature designed to integrate artificial intelligence into your Windows experience, providing assistance and enhancing productivity. So if you're excited about leveraging AI to streamline your tasks and manage your activities more efficiently, you're in the right place. To get started, you'll first need to ensure that your Windows 10 system is up to date. Microsoft regularly rolls out updates, and having the latest version will help ensure that you have all the features and security enhancements that come with it. You can check for updates by going to your Windows settings, so click on the Start button, then select the gear icon to open Settings. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Update and Security option. Here, you'll see the Windows Update tab on the left side. Click on it, and then hit the Check for Updates button. If there are any pending updates, go ahead and install them. Once you've ensured your Windows 10 is up to date, the next step is to verify that you have the required version of the operating system that supports Copilot AI. You'll usually need a version that is within the latest major updates. This often means you should be running something like version 2.1H1 or later. If you're unsure of what version you're running, you can easily find it. Just right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Type in WinVer and hit Enter. A small window will pop up, displaying the version of Windows you're currently on. Now let's move on to enabling Copilot AI itself. To do this, navigate back to your settings. This time, look for the Privacy and Security section. Within this section, you want to scroll down until you find the Windows Permissions area. Here, you will see various options that pertain to different features and functionalities within Windows. Within this subsection, you need to look for Voice Activation or AI features. This is where you will be enabling the settings that allow you to utilize Copilot AI. Make sure to toggle on any switches related to AI assistance or voice activation. You might also see some privacy-related warnings informing you about how your data might be used, and it's essential to read through these. It's great practice to be informed about how your data is being handled. Next, you should check if your device has a microphone, since Copilot AI requires voice input to function effectively. If you haven't already done so, now is a perfect time to connect a microphone or use your device's built-in mic. Ensure that the microphone is set up correctly by going back to the settings. Click on System and then Sound. From here, you can select your input device and make sure the levels are adequately set. Once everything is set up, it's time to test out Copilot AI. You can activate it by saying a trigger phrase such as "Hey Copilot," or whatever phrase you have set up during the installation or the settings process. Once activated, ask it simple questions to see how it responds. You might say something like, "What's the weather today?" or "Set a reminder for my meeting at 3 p.m. Lastly, keep in mind that Copilot AI might need some adjustments over time to fit your needs better. Don't hesitate to explore the settings to fine-tune how it works, or to add more commands that you frequently use. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Copilot AI in Windows 10. You should now be able to enjoy a more interactive and supportive experience on your device. If you found this process straightforward and helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.